Students, in this class, we will learn about the character set available in C language. So, foremost, we have got all letters in the English alphabet. Okay, so the meaning is we can start from A to Z. That's for capital letters, and from lowercase a to lowercase z. So this is the first character set available. The next type I would say is digits. Now when we talk about digits, it also includes decimals. So the digits are from 0 to 9. Right, this is available for us in C language. Now after digits, we have got what is called as special symbols. Now these special symbols can be dollar signs, the wedge symbol or cap symbol, ampersand, asterisk, everything that you can say on your keyboard. Okay, and also you can use symbols which are permitted by ASCII. So we will look into that in a later class. So what are those symbols? So the character set permitted in C language is very extensive, and you would never feel want in this case. So have that in mind. So now, having made that clear, let us talk about constants in C language. So this is critical, constants in C language. So what are the constants we have got? Now in C language, there are two types of constants permitted. Now they are what is called as primary. The second one is secondary. Now examples of primary constants are 3, 45, 4.5. These are all some examples. Now, to be more clear, under primary constants, we have three types. Under primary, we got three types of constants. So the first one is known to be as integer. So that means the examples that I gave you, 3 and 45, they belong to the integer type. So when you talk about integers, everything including 0 will also be considered. Say some examples can be 98, 7865. So it can also be plus 45, minus 67, or minus, say, minus 9, something like that, or minus 2. Some illustrations, plus 120. So these are all some examples for integers that are allowed. In fact, you can use your creativity and bring out certain examples in integers. That is impressive. So the next type I would say are called as real constants. So in real constants, as the name suggests, it's any real number. Say numbers of the form, say 3.14, it's a real number, negative 2.345, positive 78.91. Examples like this, okay, where the decimal numbers are included. And finally, we got what is called as the character types, character constants. So character constants are nothing but, suppose you want to include P, if you were to enclose it within parentheses like this, then it's a character constant. And you want to include, say, dollar, you place it like this, then it's a character constant. You want to include, say, channel, you place it like this, it's a character constant. Now, having made this point clear, let us move on to study secondary constants. Now, under secondary constants, we have a list of constants that we will be using to write programs. So they are called as array, union, enumeration, enum, structure, pointer. So 5 types are there under secondary constants, and we will see examples for all of these. These are some of the do's and do nots when it comes to using the variable names, and I hope you have received a better idea as to how you can use this information in properly assigning data to the variables.